Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. 20 game-changing tips and tricks for your Steam Deck, with code examples. The Steam Deck is a remarkable device, offering a portable PC gaming experience unlike anything else. However, to truly unlock its potential, you need to dig deeper than the basics. This guide provides 20 game-changing tips and tricks, ranging from fundamental settings tweaks to advanced customizations using the command line. Get ready to become a Steam Deck power user. Fundamental enhancements, optimizing your core experience. 1. Unlock the full performance potential, enable developer mode and adjust TDP ***. Why the default Steam Deck TDP, thermal design power, limits the power available to the CPU and GPU to conserve battery. Developer mode allows you to override this and push the hardware further, especially in demanding games. However, be mindful of battery life and heat generation. How? 1. Enable developer mode. Navigate to settings, system developer mode. Switch the toggle to on. 2. Adjust TDP**. Once enabled, you'll find a developer tab in the quick access menu, the button. Inside, locate the performance section. You can now adjust the TDP slider. Start by increasing it gradually and monitor performance. 3. Example ** For demanding games like Cyberpunk 2077, you might increase the TDP from the default, example 11W, to 15W or even higher, depending on your cooling solution and tolerance for battery drain. Experiment to find the sweet spot. Caution ** Higher TDP values will significantly decrease battery life and increase heat. Always monitor the temperature and adjust accordingly. 2. Optimize game-specific performance, per game performance profiles ***. Why not every game needs maximum power. Creating per game profiles allows you to tailor the TDP, frame rate limit, and other settings to each title, balancing performance and battery life. How? 1. Launch the game ** Start the game you want to optimize. 2. Open quick access menu, QAM press the button. 3. Navigate to performance ** Select the performance tab. 4. Customize settings ** Adjust the TDP limit, frame rate limit, scaling filter, and other options. These settings will only apply to the currently running game. Make sure to enable use per game profile to save those settings. 5. Example ** For an older, less demanding game like Stardew Valley, you could limit the frame rate to 30 FPS and drastically reduce the TDP to extend battery life. For something like Elden Ring, you might prioritize a stable frame rate over graphical fidelity and lower the TDP slightly to improve thermal performance. 3. Master the frame rate limit, find the balance between smoothness and battery life ***. Why setting a frame rate limit, example 30 FPS, can significantly reduce power consumption and improve battery life without a major impact on perceived smoothness, especially for games that don't benefit significantly from higher frame rates. How? Use the same performance tab in the quick access menu, QAM, accessible via the button while in-game, or use the global settings. Adjust the frame rate limit slider to your desired value. Example *30 FPS is often a good compromise for many games, providing a playable experience while extending battery life. For fast-paced action games, you might prefer 40 or 45 FPS for improved responsiveness. 4. Embrace FSR, Fidelity FX Super Resolution, and Integer Scaling ***. Why FSR is an AMD technology that upscales lower resolution images to a higher resolution, improving performance with minimal visual loss. Integer scaling makes pixel art games look crisp and sharp. Asterisk how asterisk. 1 FSR asterisk in the Quick Access menu's Performance tab, find the Scaling Filter option. Select FSR. You may also need to lower the in-game resolution to allow FSR to upscale the image. Experiment to find the best balance between performance and visual quality. 2 Integer scaling asterisk in the same Scaling Filter menu, choose Integer scaling. This works best for games with pixel art graphics. Asterisk example asterisk if a game runs poorly at its native resolution, 1280 x 800, try lowering the resolution to 960 x 600 and enabling FSR. For retro games, integer scaling can significantly improve visual clarity. 5 Take control of fan curves. Custom fan control, warning, requires experimentation and understanding. Asterisk Y asterisk the Steam Deck's default fan curve can be overly aggressive or not aggressive enough for your preference. Custom fan control allows you to fine-tune the fan speed based on temperature, potentially leading to quieter operation or better cooling. Asterisk how asterisk this requires the installation of third-party utilities. Several exist, including Fan Control and Steam Deck Fan Controller. These utilities allow you to define a custom fan curve using a graphical interface. Asterisk be very careful when modifying fan curves. Insufficient cooling can lead to overheating and damage to your device. Asterisk use at your own risk. Asterisk code snippet, illustrative, not directly executable on Steam Deck without a fan control utility. This Python code illustrates the basic concept. A fan control utility would continuously monitor the temperature and adjust the fan speed according to the defined curve. 2. Command line mastery, unleashing the power of Linux. 6. Embrace the console, access the Linux terminal asterisk. Asterisk Y asterisk the Steam Deck is a fully functional Linux PC. The console, terminal, provides access to a powerful command line environment for advanced customization, troubleshooting, and installing software. Asterisk how asterisk switch to desktop mode. You'll find the console application in the application launcher, Steam icon at the bottom left. 7. Become a Pac-Man Pro, package management asterisk. Asterisk Y asterisk Pac-Man is the package manager used by Arch Linux, the Steam Deck's underlying OS. It allows you to install, update, and remove software from the command line. Asterisk basic commands asterisk. Asterisk sudo pacman-cu, synchronize package databases and update all installed packages. Always run this before installing new packages. The sudo command elevates privileges. You'll be prompted for the deck user password. Asterisk sudo pacman s package underscore name, install a specific package. Example, sudo pacman s dolphin, installs the dolphin file manager. Asterisk sudo pacman r package underscore name, remove a package. Example, sudo pacman r dolphin. Asterisk pacman ss search underscore term, search for packages. Example, pacman ss steam. Asterisk example asterisk sudo pacman-cu and sudo pacman s proton upqt, updates the system and then installs proton upqt, a tool for managing proton versions. Asterisk caution asterisk be careful when installing packages from untrusted sources. Stick to packages from the official repositories, usually the case when using Pacman directly. 8. Install non-Steam games and apps, Heroic Games Launcher, Lotrice, Bottles asterisk. Asterisk Y asterisk expand your gaming library beyond Steam by installing games from other stores, Epic Games Store, GOG, etc., and running Windows applications. Asterisk how asterisk. Asterisk Heroic Games Launcher asterisk a popular choice for managing Epic Games Store and GOG games. Install it via Discover, the App Store, or from the command line, sudo pacman-s heroic games launcher. *Lotrice * a versatile game launcher that supports multiple platforms and emulators. Install it via Discover or sudo pacman-s Lotrice. *Bottles * creates isolated environments for running Windows applications. Useful for software that doesn't have native Linux versions. Install via Discover or sudo pacman-s bottles. * code example, illustrative, launching a game through Lotrice. After installing Lotrice and configuring it to find your installed game, example a GOG game, you typically launch the game through the Lotrice interface in desktop mode. However, you can create a custom Steam shortcut to launch the game using the Lotrice command line. 1. Find the Lotrice game ID * in Lotrice, right-click on the game and select Configure. Look for the game ID in the Game Options tab. 2. Create a custom Steam shortcut * in Steam, click Add a game - add a non-Steam game. Choose any application as a placeholder, it doesn't matter which one. 3. Modify the shortcut * right-click on the newly added shortcut in your Steam library and select Properties. *target * Lotrice run gameid / game_id, replace game_id with the actual game ID from Lotrice. Example, Lotrice run gameid / 12345678990. Start in *home / deck / .local / share / Lotrice / or the directory where Lotrice stores its data. Check your Lotrice configuration. Now, launching the shortcut in Steam will launch the game through Lotrice, even in gaming mode. 9. Tweak system settings with sysctl *. Y sysctl allows you to modify kernel parameters at runtime, influencing system behavior. Use with caution. Example, increase file system watch limits, useful for applications that monitor files. Some applications, like file sync tools, rely on the kernel's file system watch limits, the maximum number of files they can monitor. If you encounter errors related to e-notify limits, you can increase these limits. Check current limits *. Temporarily increase limits, resets on reboot. Make changes permanent, requires editing a configuration file. 1. Create or edit the file /etc /sysctl.d/99enotify.conf. You might need to create the directory first. 2. Add the following lines to the file. 3. Save the file, Ctrl+O in nano, then Ctrl+X to exit. 4. Apply the changes. Caution *, incorrect sysctl settings can destabilize your system. Research carefully before making changes. 10. Manage storage with fdisk and mkfs, advanced. *Y*. These commands allow you to partition and format storage devices, example micro SD cards, external SSDs. This is necessary if you want to create multiple partitions or use a file system other than the default. Warning, data loss is possible. Double-check everything before executing these commands. Make backups. How 1. Identify the device *. Use lsblk to list blocked devices and identify the correct device, example /dev/mmcblk0 for the internal storage, /dev/sdb for an external USB drive. Be absolutely sure you identify the correct device before proceeding. 2. Partition the device, using fdisk. Within fdisk *. Create a new GPT partition table, recommended for modern systems. *N. Create a new partition. Follow the prompts to specify the partition number, first sector and last sector. You can usually accept the defaults for a single partition that uses the entire device. *T, change the partition type. If you want to use ext4, enter 8300, Linux file system. *W, write the changes to the disk and exit. 3. Format the partition, using mkfs. 4. Mount the partition *. Create a mount point, a directory where the partition will be accessible sudo mkdir/mnt/my_new_drive. Mount the partition, sudo mount/dev/sdb1/mnt/my_new_drive. 5. Make the mount permanent, edit /etc/fstab, very important. To ensure the partition is automatically mounted on boot, you need to add an entry to /etc/fstab. Get the UUID of the partition, sudo bucket/dev/sdb1, note the UUID value. Edit /etc/fstab, sudo nano/etc/fstab. Add a line like this to the end of the file, replace with your UUID and mount point. Save the file and exit. Example partitioning a micro SD card into two partitions, one for games, ext4, and one for a shared data partition, xFAT. 3. Gaming mode customization, enhancing your portable experience. 11. Customize controller layouts, community layouts and personalization *. The default controller layouts might not be ideal for every game. Steam Input allows you to create custom layouts or use layouts shared by the community. How? 1. In gaming mode *, press the Steam button. 2. Select controller settings. 3. Browse community layouts *, explore layouts created by other users. Rate and download layouts that suit your needs. 4. Edit layout *, customize button assignments, sensitivity, and haptic feedback. Experiment with different configurations. 5. Share layouts *, create your own community layouts to help other players. Example remapping the back buttons to frequently used actions, adjusting trackpad sensitivity for precise aiming, or creating a layout that mimics the controls of a classic console. 12. ProtonDB, check compatibility and tweaks for non-Steam games *. Why? ProtonDB is a community-driven database that tracks the compatibility of Windows games with Proton. It provides valuable information on how to get games running smoothly on Linux, and therefore on the Steam Deck. How? Visit protondb.com and search for the game you want to play. The website will provide a compatibility rating, Platinum, Gold, Silver, Bronze, Borky, and user-submitted reports with specific tweaks and fixes. Example ProtonDB might recommend using a specific Proton version, example Proton Experimental, Proton GE, setting launch options, or installing specific dependencies. 13. Proton GE, Glorious Egg Roll, a custom Proton distribution *. Why? Proton GE is a community-maintained Proton distribution that often includes more recent fixes and improvements than the official Proton versions. It can improve compatibility and performance for some games. How? 1. Install Proton UpQt*. If you don't have it, sudo pacman s Proton UpQt. Or search for it in Discover, App Store. 2. Run Proton UpQt*. Launch Proton UpQt from the application launcher in desktop mode. 3. Add version *. Click Add version. 4. Select Proton GE *. Choose the desired Proton GE version from the drop-down list. 5. Install *. Click Install. 6. In gaming mode *, right click on the game in your Steam library, select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and force the use of a specific Steam Play compatibility tool. Choose the installed Proton GE version from the drop-down list. Example using Proton GE to fix graphical glitches or improve performance in a specific game. 14. Quick access menu shortcuts, add custom actions, requires Decky Loader. Y the quick access menu, QAM, is a convenient way to access frequently used settings and features. Decky Loader allows you to add custom shortcuts and plugins to the QAM, extending its functionality. How 1. Install Decky Loader *, follow the instructions on the Decky Loader website, you'll need to use the command line. Be aware this is a third-party tool, use at your own risk. 2. Install plugins *, once Decky Loader is installed, you can install plugins from the Decky Loader plugin store. Some popular plugins include Power Tools * for advanced CPU and GPU control. Steam Grid DB * for easily downloading custom artwork for your games. Proton DB Badges * displays Proton DB compatibility ratings directly in your Steam library. Example * adding a shortcut to quickly toggle the frame rate limit, adjust the TDP, or change the fan speed. 4. Beyond gaming, expanding your Steam Deck's capabilities. 15. Emulation Station Desktop Edition centralize your retro gaming *. Emulation Station provides a visually appealing and organized interface for managing your retro game collection. How 1. Install Emulation Station sudo pacman Emulation Station or install it via Discover, App Store. 2. Configure Emulation Station * follow the instructions to set up your emulators and ROM directories. 3. Add to Steam, optional you can add Emulation Station as a non-Steam game to launch it from gaming mode. Example creating a single, unified interface for all your retro games, with support for box art, descriptions, and controller configuration. 16. Use the Steam Deck as a portable workstation, install office suites, browsers, and more *. Why the Steam Deck is a fully functional PC. You can install office suites, LibreOffice, OnlyOffice, web browsers, Firefox, Chrome, and other productivity applications to use it as a portable workstation. How install applications via Discover, App Store, or using Pacman. Example working on documents, browsing the web, or even doing light programming while on the go. 17. Stream your games with Moonlight *. Why if you have a powerful gaming PC, you can stream games to your Steam Deck using Moonlight. This allows you to play demanding games on the deck without the deck itself having to handle the processing power. How 1. Install Moonlight on Steam Deck *. Install via the Discover Store, App Store. 2. Install GeForce Experience, if you have an NVIDIA GPU, on your gaming PC *. This is required for NVIDIA streaming. 3. Enable game streaming in GeForce Experience *. In GeForce Experience, go to Settings Shield and enable game stream. 4. Pair your Steam Deck with your PC *. Open Moonlight on the deck and it should scan for available PCs on your network. Select your PC and enter the pin shown on your deck into GeForce Experience on your PC. 5. Launch games *. Once paired, you can launch games from your PC using Moonlight on the deck. 18. Install OBS Studio for recording/streaming gameplay. Why you can record your Steam Deck gameplay, and even stream it live using OBS Studio. How 1. Install OBS Studio * sudo pacman s OBS Studio. 2. Configure OBS Studio * set up your audio and video sources, and configure streaming settings if needed. This may require some experimentation. 3. Add a game capture source * to capture gameplay. Add a game capture source in OBS Studio. V. Advanced system customization, use with extreme caution. 19. Cryo Utilities 2.0, this script provides powerful, but potentially risky, system-level tweaks that can significantly improve gaming performance. These changes primarily affect the swap file size and system memory management. How, summary, consult a dedicated guide before use. 1. Enable developer mode. 2. Open console. 3. Run the commands provided by Cryo Utilities 2.0, typically involving downloading and executing a shell script. 4. Carefully follow the instructions. Do not blindly execute commands without understanding their effects. Risk * incorrect configuration can lead to system instability or data loss. Proceed with extreme caution. 20. Dual booting, Windows/Steam OS. Y * running Windows alongside Steam OS can provide access to games and applications that aren't compatible with Linux. Warning, this is an advanced procedure that can be risky. Back up your data before proceeding. How, summary. 1. Create a Windows installation media * use the Microsoft Media Creation tool to create a bootable USB drive with Windows. 2. Resize the Steam OS partition * use a partition manager, like gparted in a live Linux environment, to shrink the Steam OS partition to make room for Windows. 3. Boot from the Windows installation media * enter the Steam Deck's BIOS, volume down plus power button, and select the USB drive as the boot device. 4. Install Windows * follow the Windows installation process. 5. Install Steam Deck drivers for Windows * download and install the official Steam Deck drivers for Windows. 6. Configure dual booting * use a boot manager like REFIND to choose which OS to boot into. Example * installing Windows on a micro SD card to create a dual boot system without modifying the internal storage. Final thoughts. The Steam Deck is a powerful and versatile device that rewards experimentation and customization. By mastering these tips and tricks, you can unlock its full potential and create a gaming experience tailored to your specific needs. Remember to research thoroughly before making any significant system changes, and always back up your data to protect yourself from data loss. Happy gaming!